What's up YouTube, what's up y'all? My name is Robbie Bright Jones and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video we're going to learn how to change colors in this 3D, right? So I have the 3D here and the title is Royale. It's a royalty text effect, blah blah blah. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can have this 3D for yourself. So first of all, when you open it, you're going to have something like this. There'll be others, but then I turned them off. So you're going to double click on the thumbnail here. You double click like this, it's going to load and open into a different workspace. So yes, this is what we have here, and it says royalty, but then in flat. So we're going to turn it off, bring out our own text tool. Then we're going to type in something that we want to use, you understand? Yes. So let me type in divine, as we already had divine. So divine, yes. And the first font was in stone something. Wait, I've forgotten the font name. Wow, I think it was Stone Cold or something, but all the same, I have it somewhere here. Wait, why are we having Chinese and Thailand, Charlie? Wow. Oh nice, we have Indian here. Oh, okay, Hebrew too is here. Wow, I never knew we have all these in a font section. We're all the same. I don't know. Yes, this is Stone Crusher, right? Yeah, Stone Crusher. So I'm going to make sure it is huge enough to how I want it to be. Then oh come on, man, I'm going to seriously do this now. Look, my PC is messing with me, and yes, thank you. So I'm going to open it up for it to fill the screen, but not all, like the entire screen. Let's see a little part of it. Let's see, this area is cool. Then after you are done, entering or doing whatever, you click on Ctrl S to save. So literally you are saving what you have here, the divine, into the 3D text, you understand? So whatever you are seeing here, we're going to see the same thing in the 3D preview that is going to pop up in any second now. Yes, so you see we have divine here, but then I'm going to teach you guys how to change the color, because the background color, or like the 3D we see in here, is violet and a bit of yellow. So in this first work, I have the same 3D here, and I have a gradient map. So what you're going to do is you're going to create a gradient map, and you're going to clip it onto the 3D text. So now you clip it like this, you enter into your gradient editor, then you select any of the gradients that you have. You see this one is another, this is another, we have a blue one here, we have a, wow, this one is giving it some kind of glowy type of thing, but the same is cool. I have another one here. So it's basically all the gradient maps that you've saved in your gradient editor. You can apply, you can edit, you can do some touches, yes, and you're good to go. So with this one, let me try something about this gold. I'm going to bring the deeper aspect of the gold to the end, then shift this guy somewhere here. Or no, let me delete this, bring the deeper part here, then the lighter one here. Yes, and if I want it to be a bit solid, I'm just going to add a much darker, something like this. And let me add a white, no, not you, let me drag this guy here, create a new one and add white. Yes. So knowing your way around the gradient editor can also do something about this whole thing. You can even add black, but then the black has to be behind this guy, you understand? Yes. So yes, so guys, it is very simple. You can have a lot of corrections, or did I say corrections? You can have a lot of different types of the gradient colors or whatever. Yes, that's it for the video, guys. Kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll make sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.